we will start with the new topic today, which is the module on digital transformation and industry revolution. So this is very the topic which is very close to my heart, because throughout my entire career, I have started doing something new for the entire organization, and we achieve so much of results in terms of digitalization, and many of the people even don't know today what is the difference between the digitalization, and the digital transformation. There are so many things that is involved in this entire setup, and I'm sure you will be able to learn a lot of new things today, because this entire session is designed to give you the insight about that how you can start doing the digital transformation, like what Rupesh you were trying to do, that from the manual MIS to the automatic. This entire transformation is nothing but your digital transformation, or you're trying to go from, let's say, manual to first digitization, and then digitalization, and then going towards the digital transformation. So that entire journey, that how you can do that part, that we will see. So let's start our session with our signature move. So Pharma's trailblazer, scale up to scale up, scale up to scale up, scale up to scale up. Thank you so much. So what is the agenda today? So we will be discussing about what is industry revolution. Now, what is the difference between the digitization, digital transformation, and the digitalization? So there are three different terms, but we use these terms interchangeably. We use that we are using the digitization or digitalization interchangeably. So now, how the difference? What is the difference? And then, if you want to implement the industry revolution 4.0, what are the challenges? And then, what is the difference between the smart factory and the conventional factory? Now, what is the CRE framework? So what exactly is the CRE framework, which is the smart industry? Smart industry readiness index. Now, what is this index all about? What exactly is the CRE framework? What part of it, how part of it, and why part of it? So that we will go in detail about this part. And then we'll also discuss about the 3 building blocks, 16 dimensions, and 8 pillars about that part. Apart from that, we'll also discuss about the LEED framework. Now, who has developed the LEED framework? Who has developed the CRE framework? Why these frameworks are important? Because if you are doing any kind of digital transformation activities at your office, you need to follow either of this framework, which is designed, one of the framework which is designed by the Singapore, the World Economic Forum, while the second LEED is designed by the Siemens, and they give a lot of, let's say, pillar blocks. They give a lot of the pillars and the blocks, which will help you design that where exactly you are right now. And if you want to go to the digital transformation industry revolution 4, what you do in those dimensions to go to that particular level. And then, of course, we discuss about the business case for the digital transformation, and also then we will discuss about the AI-based digital transformation use cases. So, what is a digital twin? Anyone has heard about the digital twin? What is digital twin? Anyone? Rupesh is saying no. Sanjay is saying no. Okay. So we will talk about digital twin, because now the entire processes are going digital. Today, you need to understand that if your process needs to be controlled, or if you need to understand the parameters, you can't play with the actual. You need to define, you need to develop similar digital twin. When we say twin, it is like a identical. And when we say the digital twin, it is the physical activity or the physical phenomena or the physical equipment will have the digital part of it, or it's like a digital equipment. So it is called a digital twin. So we will go and discuss about that part as well. And of course, AI-based predictive maintenance, AR, VR. I'm sure that you might have discussed about the AR, VR, the augmented reality and the virtual reality. Has anybody talked about or done any kind of use cases in your organization about AR, VR? No, right? So we have done a one similar case in a one particular example that I'll quote, which we have done in Cipla, and I'll show you that part as well. So all of those things we will discuss today. Okay. So before we start, I want to ask you all,